Here's what us henna artists deal with every day. That one person who shows off other people's work butchers the design so badly that the person getting the henna done wants to cry. That person needs to be arrested for false advertising. Lock 'em up for turning a happy moment into a nightmare. Throw away the key so they never attempt to butcher someone else's design ever again. The shameless copycat who's like a persistent thorn up your backside, shadowing your every move. Give you zero credit. She wishes she was you, but she ends up butchering your design so bad, it looks like it's straight out of AliExpress bargain bin. Talk about a knockoff disaster. That shameless copycat needs to be named and shamed. But then again, she's not called shameless for nothing. It's like she's got a PhD in audacity. There's that one person who wakes up one morning realizing they've got zero talent, so what do? They go ahead and steal your pictures and videos, slap their watermark on it, and act like they did all the hard work. Talk about trying to get famous off someone else's blood and sweat. And if that wasn't enough, they've got the audacity to block you afterward, thinking they're some kind of genius. It's like they're living in a whole different dimension of stupidity. Do you know I have a TikTok shop with so many abayas and dresses at ridiculously cheap prices? It's so good, it'll make your hairline stand up in excitement. And